So this is a very easy menu actually, because you have pictures and it's also in English. Okay, so it makes it easy to you know, basically see what they're offering. And this is just traditional. We are here at the Dubai Mall. Guys, it's Ivan here with Ivaintures. I'm here at the Dubai Mall, like I was saying. And that's the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. You heard it right. I'm sure you already knew that though. The tallest building in the world. Man, that place, it's crazy. I'm actually gonna be going there tomorrow. This is, wow. It feels a little bit like New York, but it's not. It feels a little bit like Vegas, but it's not. So it's a good combination of both cities from what I can see here. Luxury, it smells like money. It smells like money. Look at all of this place, man. Like, look at this. These buildings, you know? Wow. And that building over there, Imar, is connected to another one. It's very similar to one in Singapore. It looks very, very similar. It is a beautiful day here, and basically I'm going to be going in the mall in a minute, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like from out here. All the brands, whatever you want, Dolce & Gabbana, Rolex, you know, Bottega Veneta, they have it all. Gucci, I have a friend that we call Gucci Man, because he's always wearing Gucci glasses, Gucci this, Gucci that. That's his home right there. Dolce & Gabbana, Rolex, it just keeps on going. Hermes is the next one over there. Man, it just keeps going. Any brand, luxury. Look at this, a G-Wagon. Look at this, another G-Wagon. A Mercedes. Man, look at these cars parked over here. This is, what, a Ferrari. Man, all right. You know, this is, I can't tell you how impressive this place is. It's just nothing but nice cars out here. Look at this. Ferrari, Dubai plate, and they have their own, you know, little section here in front of the mall. Another G-Wagon. This is exactly like a picture. This is a Rolls Royce. It's a Rolls Royce. You know, and then you have a Nissan, okay. And then a Bentley. A Bentley. Look at these cars, guys. Look at these cars. Money, 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 money. Money. Money everywhere. Okay. So the view here is amazing. I'm so excited to get in this place. Cartier, I can already see. I'm gonna try to see if I can buy a bottle of water in there. This is way above my pay grade, but I'm gonna try to see if I can buy even a bottle of water or something. Is there something in this mall for regular people? I don't know. We'll see. So guys, this is Dubai Mall. This is what it looks like here. This is the scene all day, every day. But most of these people are foreigners, I have to tell you. Most of them. Dubai is only 10% Emirati, I think it says. Only 10%. The rest is all foreigners. So keep that in mind when you see all this money here. There's a lot of people from other places, and you know, it's easy to live here, it's easy to work here, and there are no taxes at all. Zero property taxes, zero income taxes, no taxes. So people come here and play. Why not? Why would you stay somewhere and pay more taxes when you can come over here and pay nothing? So people are very smart actually. A lot of, you know, famous, you know, I know Floyd Mayweather has buildings over here. All these superstars are really smart by investing here because they keep more of their money. You know, they have more loopholes, you know, than if you stay in the US, you can pay way more in taxes. So anyways, without further ado, let's get in this mall and see what this is all about. So guys, this is the entrance of the mall. Just got in. And as you can see, it's nothing but luxury. Now, I've been to Mall of America in Minneapolis, and it reminds me of this place. And to think that this is bigger, it's just completely crazy. You can get lost at the Mall of America in Minneapolis, and to think that this is bigger, like I said, it's just crazy. So I don't even know what section this is. I'm just gonna be wandering around and try to see what I can actually get into. So stay tuned. As I'm going through this, I'm gonna go upstairs. Have you been here? If so, please comment below. Let me know what you thought about this place. Have you been to Mall of America? What do you think about that place? I'm not really into shopping. I'm only here because I wanted to see. This is a place you really hear about all the time. Dubai Mall, Dubai Mall, Dubai Mall. So I'm actually gonna start from the top and work my way down. And see what it's all about. Welcome to the biggest mall in the world, guys. And Rolex. I mean, I know like there's a lot of money that was pushed in here, but to think like 20 years ago there was nothing like this here. It's just freaking amazing. When I think of big cities like New York and stuff, it took time, you know, to build them. And these people have built the massive city with the biggest malls, like complete luxury and absolutely no poverty. I have to say, and that is the most shocking thing, because any city has crime. Any of these cities has, you know, violence or some kind of theft, even petty theft. And here, the way the government is, poverty is not allowed. What do I mean by that is, if you're poor, you basically have to get out of the country. There's no social system, there's no welfare system, there's nothing in place to help you. If you're poor, you gotta go. They don't care, you have to leave the place. And there's only 10% of the people that are actually from here, because you might wonder, well, are they gonna kick you out of your own country? Well, only 10% of the people here are actually from here. Everybody else is a foreigner. So it's easy, you gotta just go. You go. If you don't have a job, they give you time to find one. If you can't find one, bye-bye. So that's how they get rid of poverty. There's no poor people here. I'm not saying everybody's a multimillionaire. No, everybody isn't. But there's nobody here that counts on the government check. Not a single person. Think about it. How do you feel about that? I'm curious, because I think it's a little bit sad that if you're poor, you can't. Because some people, you know, it's not their fault, but whatever. Let me know how you feel about this. And put it in the comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow and share. And let me know what your thoughts are regarding this system of having no poor people and deporting everybody that, you know, can't work. It's crazy. So yeah, that's how they keep Dubai without a crime. And I was, you know, saying all this to tell you guys that Dubai is a very safe city. They literally told me there's no crime here. That's what they told me. I'm not really connected to all these brands, so I don't know a lot of these places. Like, I don't really shop luxury personally. Hello. Hello. So I keep things. People are friendly, man. They just want to. It's funny, like people just want to get on camera. I'm not used to doing this, as you guys know. I'm just starting out. It's a process. I have to give a shout out. If you're watching this, Marwa, I am Marwa. If you don't know him, I'm gonna put his link. Please follow that guy. He is the one, you know, person that really motivated me and inspired me to do this. And I've seen in my work, and it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And now that I'm the one holding the camera, I see what he goes through. You meet a lot of people. It's interesting, but it's also weird sometimes. to go to this and holding a camera and walking around. So really, you know, please follow Marwa. I am Marwa. Please follow Backpack Mo, you know. Please follow Ace Live. All of those guys, man, they work hard to put content out, and they really need your support. So from here in Dubai, I'm asking you, please follow these people. I will put all their links below. Okay, so I'm gonna have a seat here, try to find a place where I can have a cocktail. And I think there's one up there, a Grand Cafe, and then there's a bar over there. So we'll see what we can get into here. Stay tuned. So I'm at this restaurant here at the top of the mall called Logma. It's the cheapest restaurant that I found here. Logma. I'm sure there might be another one, but I just wanted some, you know, like a little appetizer just to see. Quick note on this mall, they do not sell alcohol at the Dubai Mall. Even if you go to a restaurant, there's no alcohol at all. It's simply juices and water and sodas. Okay, so this is a very easy menu actually, because you have pictures and it's also in English. Okay, so it makes it easy to you know, basically see what they're offering. And this is just traditional Emirati cuisine. Okay, it's just standard, you know, the prices that you see right there, that's in dirham. You know, so this is a very balanced, you know, easy menu. I'm not really hungry. I just wanted something to put in my stomach, so this is what I'm gonna settle with for now. And yeah, it's too bad I wanted a cocktail, but no, you can't have it. So it has to go that way for now. You know, I'll show you when I get the meal what it looks like. So what I have here is lamb, you know, with rice and a little bit of carrots. That I'm not sure about. I'm actually not sure what this is. And then this is a mocktail. It looks like a mojito, but there's no alcohol here. So bon appetit to myself. Again, I'm here at Logma at the Dubai Mall. Thank you guys. So guys, I just had the lamb and it was really, really good. I just keep walking in this mall, taking a look, trying to take it all in. There's not a single store that you can think about that's not here. I mean, look at this place. It just won't stop going. It keeps going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Oh my God. You have a Virgin Mega store right here. And like, I don't even know where to go. Like, I'm so overwhelmed, you know, with all the different options that are here. There's like all of these stuff. All of this stuff. Look at that. It's crazy. I'm gonna keep on walking and see what else I can get into. There's a Nike store over there. It looks really big as well. There's all kind of stuff in the mall. Like, a lot of them have been posted on different websites. Like, they say you can do, you know, skiing down here. I don't even know what section that is because this place is so big. But I'm gonna keep walking and, you know, see what I can, you know, what I can find. So we're gonna go into this Nike store because it's so big, and I want my folks out all over the world to see this place. It is so big. It is officially the biggest Nike store I have ever seen in my life. I don't care, like, if you're in California, Florida, New York, Paris, you name it. Anywhere you can mention, I have never ever seen a bigger Nike store. And let's take a look at this area here. This is actually outside. You have a glass that shows you the view from here. You can see what's going on out there. Guys, you see all these folks? There's like a whole nother party going on outside. With my reflection, you may not get to see much, but I need to step out there to show you guys outside. You can see the water show. They will do that eventually. I'll go take a look at that from outside. But anyways, for now, let's continue here. This place, man, it just keeps on going. It is so big, so big. It is bigger than the one in Minneapolis, the Mall of America.
Sorry.
And I do want to mention that Dubai is very diverse. It has people from all over the world. All over the world. Like, this place doesn't end, you know? And of course you have the Michael Jordan section over here with some of his shoes. You have Michael Jordan for kids section over here, like adult right there. Nike kids. You can buy anything you want. You just need money. Basically, this place, you just need money. Lots of it too. Anyways, you get the point. This place is massive. So, guys, if you're into shopping, this is it for you. This is the place. So, I don't buy anything when I travel generally. I just collect magnets. That's it. And I just wanted to come out here. You know, you hear so much about the place. Oh, you know, Dubai Mall, Dubai Mall. I had to come over here and take a look for myself. Oh, thank you. What's that?
You're doing a vlog?
Yes.
Ah, you have vlog?
Yes, I am.
Channel?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
I do.
Okay. What's your vlog?
Ivaintures.
Adventures?
Yes.
Okay.
Ivaintures. With Ivaintures. Yes.
Adventures.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
I will follow.
All right. Thank you. So I want to take a look at this place. So let me go ahead and hop off here until I find something else interesting enough to show you guys. Okay. So thank you. Please watch. Subscribe, share. Thank you.